We are back Liverpool auto hunting, but today we are opening the Liverpool team set by Topps. Now this is currently retailing for about $100 on eBay, so let's see if this box is worth $100. Now as mentioned, we are autograph hunting, but each box comes with a guaranteed autograph or potential relic, so I'm hoping to hit the autograph in this video. And bang, here are the 6 packets that you get inside each box, so let's just start ripping them open and seeing what we get. So here's our first card: Dominic Szoboszlai, Luis Garcia, Conte, another Szoboszlai card, so that's a Mighty Reds card, and a Luis Diaz. Now I'm assuming the autograph is in this packet because that is the heaviest one. Next up, we then have a Joe Gomez 35 out of 50, so not too bad. Nice little parallel there. Luis Suarez, would love to have a Luis Suarez autograph. A Gravenberch, and then we have a Ben Doak gold drip here, and a Trent Alexander-Arnold base card. So not too bad. Obviously Joe Gomez parallel hit, could have been better, could have been worse as well. Jumping straight in, so we got a IC drip card, I guess. No, IC parallel, so no numbers on it, but obviously a unique design. A Matip, a Andy Robertson, another Robinson, and a Javi Alonso gold drip card. So nothing too exciting in that packet itself. So hopefully we can get, I don't know how many parallels you get. Maybe you just do get the one and then the autograph card, but we'll see. Harvey Elliott, so another Ben Doak, a Alisson Becker card, another Mighty Reds card here with an icon in it. And we are on to the final 2 cards. So I don't know, on the design, I don't think the design's that great on these cards, if I'm honest. I'm not that much to shout about them. They're pretty basic in my opinion. John Barnes there, and an Endo card. So now on to the money packet. So we'll see what is in here. Try to do it in a way where I don't ruin what's in the packet just by opening it. Okay. So I don't know if this is just the one card or if there is multiple cards in here. So we have, oh, I saw a congratulations, but I didn't see the name. You might have caught it on camera. Okay, let's all right, I'm just gonna flip these. So we got a Virgil, we got a Jota base, a Nunez Mighty Reds card, and then we have, I think it's upside down. Okay, so we have a Virgil van Dijk relic card. So that is not too bad. We will take that. Obviously was hoping for the autograph, but if we're gonna get a relic, at least it's the big man Virgil. So nice. So yeah, that is the Liverpool team set summed up for $100. Would you spend $100 on this box? Let me know in the comments.